Abalungi Bebasinga Obungi Ababi.
To our viewers, you're very welcome back, and I'm very glad to be here with Mr. Alex Mukulu. My name remains Akello, Alison Mary, and we're going to dive into the discussion about tourism in this country. Yes, Mr. Alex.
Yes, thank you. Tourism. Nze kinyiza ku tourism. Abantu abajja okulaba wano ngaba tourists nti bajja kulaba Mazike. Mu kifo ky'okulaba ki ffe ekyo nze kinyiza. Anti kati Amazike gatusinga ebbeeyi. N'olaba nti ezzike lirya n'okusinga omuntu owa bulijjo nga baligulira emmere ssebo. Ate nno kati waliwo Amazike kankuwulira. Si Mazike gali oba gaki gali tolo galya chocolate batourist bagawa amenvu chocolate na biki biki. Kati n'osanga nga Amazike geetaaga ba dentist okugalabirira olwokuba batourist bagawa chocolate. Kakati amannyo ga Mazike ne galwala. Kakati Amazike geetaaga ba dentist ogalabirira. Naye ng'omuntu owa bulijjo etteeso oba wa tasobola na ku accessinga dentist.
Dentist babbeeyi.
Babbeeyi. Naye kati gali Amazike bo bagalabirira gavumenti egalabirira negawa. Kakati Amazike tegaagala kubeera wa mu nsiko.
Naye gye gabeera.
Anti gye gabeera naye tegaagala gakeera ku makya ne gatuula ku kkubo. Yeah, on the roadside. So that bano abayitawo bagawa biki amenvu bagakanyugira chocolate keke migaati biki na biki. Kati Amazike go gennyini tegakyakola. Gabivaako gati gali relax.
Mr. Alex, what do you want people to come, tourists to come and see?
Us.
Come and see you.
Yeah, people.
As Ugandans.
As Ugandans.
Mr. Alex said you're not proud to be a Ugandan.
Yeah. Yeah, they come to see me as a Muganda. Yes.
But you believe that tourists also come and visit your cultural center here?
What?
Your cultural center, they actually come and visit it.
Yeah. I'm telling you.
Mr. Alex.
Listen, my belief is this. An acholi should be an acholi.
Yes.
Period. And it also should be cheap. Period. With all her pride, history, cultural heritage.
Everything.
Everything.
Sums you up.
Now, if you're making her to be proud to be an Iteso, which church making her to be proud to be an Iteso? Why? Lokuba batourist bajja okulaba Amazike.
Alex kati olaba wera marketing point.
Marketing gachi.
Olaba.
Who are you marketing?
First listen to me, Mr. Alex. Uganda has like over 50% of the primates in the world.
50%?
Yes.
Yes.
The rest are scattered everywhere else.
Yes.
Why wouldn't you be proud to have that as a sector that can actually grow? Most especially now.
I would be proud.
Mr. Alex, first listen, especially now when the government is willing to actually invest in tourism. Tourism contributes a lot to the country's GDP. We get a lot of tourists, they come and spend, they spend in communities and but you also realize that in all of these tourism, whatever they come to see, the gorillas, the chimpanzees, whatever they come to see, they end up visiting a community because where these places are located, our communities that people actually live.
Anti go Gambia nti okay, Amazike go contributing to our GDP.
No, that's Mazike. The tourists that come.
Yes. Anti bajja lwa Amazike.
Yes, but after that they end up visiting communities because wherever these gorillas are staying, wherever they stay, are communities.
Kiri kugasa ki to win the whole world and lose your soul. Kakati we are going to win the whole world by our Mazike.
But that's a
and
start.
Then we lose our soul.
That's a start. The minute they get here, they're eating our food. They want to get the experience of eating matoke. They want to know what carrot is like. They want to know what ebo, whatever. But when they come here, they're actually getting the experience of everything, the culture, heritage. They get to visit communities.
But why do they come? You know.
Yes, they come to do gorilla trekking.
There's no effect stronger than the cause. What caused them to come? Animals.
Yes.
That's wrong from the beginning.
So you want them to come and
to see us,
to see
people,
you.
Ugandans.
Okay, Mr. Alex, what are you offering them when they come?
Huh?
What are you offering them when they come?
My music.
As Buganda. Let's say Mr. Alex, as Buganda.
My thinking, right? As I think today. Not as yesterday. Not as a tourist attraction in the name of a gorilla.
So I'm telling that's a marketing strategy.
Marketing who?
They are marketing the country at large.
Why are you marketing?
These people here are found. Most of these primates are found in Western Uganda, not so.
Wait, let me give you a simple example.
Okay, give me a simple example, Mr. Alex.
You have a home.
Huh? Wange.
Yeah, a car. You have a father and a mother.
Yes.
Now, imagine you have a dog there. And people come to see that dog. Already. And that's the reason
Mr. Alex, they end up interacting with us.
But they come to see the dog.
Mr. Alex, that's a marketing strategy. It's a strategy to get people to come, because once you know what people like and you offer them what you have, right?
You don't lose your soul.
Mr. Alex, sometimes in the world we live in today, you have to live by strategy.
I know.
Do you get that? That means you're going to lose certain things in order to gain certain things. You understand that part, right?
The government win some, lose some, right?
Cut it.
But I'm not going to lose some at the expense of Amazike.
Mr. Alex, listen to me. It's a marketing strategy. When people are looking,
what are they
are marketing the country.
To do
when
what?
When those people come to actually check these gorillas, they will do that and finish. Then they will do what? They will visit communities, Mr. Alex. They will start wanting to know, okay, Sopo in Kabale, they live how? Sopo in Kabale, what do they eat? What do they dance? What do they speak? They will start interacting with communities. We've seen them going to schools, giving them scholastic materials, helping them actually. Mr. Alex, it's a marketing strategy. They are tourists, Mr. Alex. I have been to being Miss Tourism has been very helpful. But I didn't know about tourism until I joined Miss Tourism.
What?
I didn't know about tourism until I joined Miss Tourism. So it's been an experience. You get to visit these places. Most of the time when I first went to Western Uganda, before Miss Tourism, I had never gone to Western Uganda before. When I first went to Western Uganda, we were going to trek and look for golden monkeys. But before we went to Ngahinga, the people we interacted with, were much better than, in as much as the experience of trekking and looking for the golden monkeys was interesting. But still, I will remember that, we visited these communities and they were really nice. The experience of driving around, the experience of learning how these people live, how do they adjust to the weather? How do they speak? How do they dance? What do they eat?
It is not what you do that matters, but that which you become after you have done what you have done.
Okay, first explain
It is not what you do that matters, but that which you become after doing what you have done. So, who do we become?
After what?
Them coming to see our gorillas. Simanyi si gorillas. Ne bagirira tubalina wano. Nabo bajjana. Ne bagirira tubalina. Who do we become after they come and see our Mazike? Who do we become as Ugandans?
In one way or another.
Who do we become? Mr.
Alex, for you said you're not proud to be a Ugandan. You're standing as a Muganda.
Yeah.
let's see. If they come here, okay, now, Mr. Alex, if they come here to your cultural center, there's a culture center up there, right?
Where?
The Buganda Culture Center. Yes.
Uh-huh.
So when they come there, for example, if they've come from Western Uganda and visited the gorillas, Mr. Alex, and they have now said they want to visit Buganda, and they go to the what's that place where they bury the kings and what?
Kasubi.
Kasubi. In one or another, they've contributed.
Contributed to?
Mr. Alex, when they come here and spend money at your cultural center and they buy things and they buy little things, what, the person who has made those things is gaining from them.
That's okay.
Yes, that's okay. So you agree that there's a certain sort of exchange that has happened?
But what have I become?
A certain step to growth.
What have I become after you giving me money or whatever? Have I become stupid? Have I become inferior? Have I become superior?
No, I think then we need to stop looking at them as superior to us. We are not superior. They're not superior to us. We're the same person.
But that's what they do, because when they come here, they show that they are superior, because they don't come. They don't come
the ones who give them the privilege.
Listen, they don't come to see us. The fact that they are so superior, they come to see Mazike, Sife, because they are superior.
Mr. Alex, before they get to see the Mazike, they actually get to see communities. We are forgetting. That's the first thing they actually interact with.
When they come,
you go to a hotel where they sleep, Mr. Alex.
Of course, they see people.
They sleep at what place? They sleep in the bush
at first. Yeah, no, they see people at first. But they don't care about them. They care about what brought them. The Mazike. They don't care about the people
in the table. But
they don't care. Bayita boyisi tugenda wakasese nga bagenda kulaba Mazike
kate bagende kasese basulawo
bamanyi gye basula hoteli yani
ate bali aki
hoteli yani
bali aki
hoteli ya muzungu
Mr. Alex. Mr. Alex, their hotels they are owned by Ugandans.
Ngani
simani nnyo nyingi mu Western naye ziri nnyo nyingi
mbulira hani ojja kusanga nga hoteli eziri eyo nazo z'abazungu.
But Mr. Wait, I'm still telling you. Basuze mu hoteli eyo
ey'omuzungu ate
Uganda. Mr. Alex, kati wano tuli kwogeramu Uganda. We are not hypothetical.
You're not
most of the
people
that, but the people who are the food they are going to, okay, let's talk about the food they're going to eat. Where are they going to get it from?
Banalya mmereki. Ani bagenda kulya mmereki.
Bagenda kwagala okulya emmere gye bafumbiddako.
Ani agamba? Era bajja kusaba salad. Bajja kusaba chips.
Cabbage abeera bazijjeewa.
Anti wuliriza.
Cabbage abeera bazijjeewa.
Wano. Naye ng'agirima afunyemu ki?
Ng'abeera afunyemu ssente ze. Kitegeeza abeera asobola okuddayo n'alima n'afuna ssente endala.
Talina kyafuuse kirala.
Kati Irish ekya chips. Eza chips ze bagenda okusaba bagenda zijja.
Ne bwe baba nga bazijje wano kisinziira oyo omuzungu nnyini hoteli gy'azijja. Ayinza okuba nga azijja South Africa nga tetumanyi. Ayinza okuba ng'azijja oba wa mwani aba.
Naye nedda, you know that Western Uganda grows a lot of Irish. I don't think they would have to go outside themselves.
Naye lwaki tubuyita chips? Kati ekyo tokimanyi. Lwaki tubuyita French fries?
Kubanga ziri French.
Kati Abafalansa balimu obumonde.
Mr. Alex,
Abafalansa balimu olumonde.
Mr. Alex,
lwaki tubuyita French fries?
Sente zo zifunye olumye Irish wo bamuguze
abatulaba ono mystery naye njagala okubuuza Abafalansa be balimu obumonde lwaki tubuyita French fries?
It may be like a certain type of food that is made out of the Irish.
Ate oba nga ffe tubulira
Mr. Alex, Irish can make you a lot of meals depending on how you want to eat it. So maybe the French found a way to eat the Irish. They're like French fries. Nothing to bakoppa.
Webali. Kubanga hoteli zaabwe z'abazungu.
Mr. Alex nedda.
Ate obadde hoteli zonna ezatandika wano.
Anyway, I believe
z'abazungu n'abayimbi.
Mr. Alex.
Tourism ngeri ku Mazike. Nze kulwa saagala. Bajje wano tubalabe. Lwaki Italy, Ensi, Sweden, Switzerland zirina amazike? Ffe tuzisinga obugagga.
And Kati, we have just seen the importance of tourism in our country.
Ne ate omanyi nti ne batusinga ne batourist. Batusinga ne batourist. Nibogamba nti bajja ne basula mu hoteri zaffe. Tetulina kyetufuuka, tetulina kyetulina. Kubanga ensi zirina amazike. Ze zitusinza batourist.
Anti Kati, olaba. The thing is marketing strategy. Oh, you have to grow the thing that you actually want to market.
There is that way we believe naffe. Amazike gatusinga amagezi.
Anenda, Mr. Alex.
Ate kankuwulira ekya. Gayinza okuba nga gatusinga. Omanyi lwaki? Kubanga bw'oteebereza gavumenti ezitufuze zino zonna kuva nkaaga mu ebiri.
I'm about to plead the fifth in this conversation.
Amazike ganditusinga amagezi. Kubanga waliwo ebintu bye tukola nga si bya magezi.
Back to tourism.
Back to tourism today. Okwogera politics. Anti mwe mutya nnyo. Okay, back to tourism.
Back to tourism.
Tourism
Mr. Alex,
is okay. Tourism is good.
Yes.
And
Uganda is growing. Is trying to grow that sector.
Yes.
Seriously, because now they're seeing its importance. And if it grows, we may be able to actually be, the tourism could be like the biggest sector.
Tourism yandibadde etya. Tourism etandika etya. Nga mu nnyonyi. Airline.
Katwina Uganda Airlines.
Yes. That's where it all starts. Nti abawala abakolamu tebalinga Mazike nga bali laba omuntu alinnya ennyonyi ajja Uganda asanze omuwala akola mu nnyonyi baamuwa omulimu lwakuba muteeso oba munyankoli tali attractive as such, tali ne bamutwalayo butwazi oba olwakuba Muganda ne bamutwala akole muki. Tourism, that's where it starts.
Yeah, it starts.
Nti who do we put in the plane? What do we Kiki kye tulaga ewulidde ewaggulu wali ku TV. Era bw'avaamu bw'ati ng'atuuse entebe.
Kyasooka okulaba.
Alaba ki? Tourism yaba yatandise dda.
Kati kankuwa example. When I went to represent Uganda at Miss Tourism Africa in Nigeria, Kati, our strategy was tandikira. Strategy, how do you market your country? Kati, Nigeria is known for being culturally diverse. The minute I reached the airport, there were these dancers from like different tribes. And then most of them were not speaking English. They were speaking, what do they call it? Pidgin.
Yeah, Pidgin English.
Yeah. So most of the time I wasn't hearing anybody speaking English. It was just Pidgin at the airport and then these dancers and everybody. So the minute you arrive, you're actually like, hey, okay. So who's this? You get triggered to want to ask, who's this? So I feel like maybe we need to like grow that side. So by the time someone lands, they know that, hey, this can happen.
When you land in a country, when I landed in Nashville, in the USA, there was this sign, welcome to the music city. Now, this is United States of America.
Yes,
each state has its own identity. Why don't we have our own identity in every tribe we have? That when you come with Teso, you say, welcome to the warriors city. No genda wacholi, no bagamba nti, welcome to the brave city. Why don't we have that?
I think
under the pretext of being Ugandans.
I think we do, but
no,
it's not marketed a lot.
We don't, because it is suppressed by our governments.
I think it's there, but you're right, it's suppressed. It's there, but it's suppressed. When you're going to Northern Uganda, I think it's actually something like that. Right. They say, welcome to the land of elephants, because elephants are the ones that made their way for them to migrate. They are the ones that actually cleared, because they were moving, so they would move following the, I think, footprints of the elephants, because when elephants are so big, so when they move and crash the grass, they make away from you.
When you go to Australia, welcome to the land of the elephants.
Something like that.
Netumanya tinamba choli balinga chi elephant njovu. Nze chenjagala, that's what I want.
We have it, but I think it's suppressed.
Yeah, it is suppressed by democracy, so-called democracy, so-called political parties, so-called everything.
So it's important to announce this at the airport. Is it okay to announce this at the airport?
Yeah. Lavayo. Democracy. Telina democracy.
Nekati now, we cannot start overdoing that to the airport. Kubanga the airport, it's not yet ours.
It is whose?
It's not yet ours.
What?
Tuchali mukusasula katono katono.
You go bimanyi mwemo bimanyi.
But tourism, now we are getting there.
Tourism should start immediately. Ngomuntu alinye nyinyo kuva London. Okujjawa.
That means Uganda Airlines routes have to go everywhere.
Yeah. Uba boarding Uganda Airlines. London, oba mu America. Ngo ready. What is that? Bakubi which financial model omulungi. So Sister Zike. Why don't they never take away which financial omuntu omulungi oba mulenzi? Oba amaka amalungi. Ennyumba ennungi. Naye lwaki oteekawo Zike?
Marketing strategy.
It's a marketing strategy. There is an inferiority complex here. Jetuulira ffe ne tukkiriza naffe nti Amazike Gaalitusinga. Ate nga abazungu kye baagala. Tuli wansi wa Amazike. Kati nga gwe Miss Tourism. Noonya bantu. First, second, Amazike gaji. N'ebirala ebigobere.
So you first go to communities.
Yeah. We need to feel proud of ourselves. Kati ebyo byonna tourism ebitujjako. Ekulembeza Amazike. Aba politicians bakulembeza semanyi patriotism. Abeddiini bakulembereza isimanyi nchatojja kuba.
Kati wadde tukola tufuna Abaganda abazinyi. Abaganda abazinyi abateeso.
No, not necessarily. Even the costume, just the costume. If I found in Entebbe omuntu ayambadde nga bora dancer, ababora nga alina kino nga yakola kiki yakuba mu stampu zange, my dear, I get mesmerized. Okitegeera?
Obanga omukazi ayambadde gomesi.
Something like that. Neno sanga omukiga oba mucholi ddala nga yambadde kino ki abwena bichobo mukala mojja ne bino bibits. No musanga nga yakola ki ate nga ayogera luzungu bulungi. My dear. Otya. Which country am I in? Okitegedde?
Owe yagala genda baabwe.
But we don't do that here. Kati batusanga mu ngoye zaabwe. Twambadde masuuti. Masati matai
kale kati
abatulaba ono mkyalo
Mr. Alex nga tetuna kugalawo kati badde olowooza Uganda Tourism Board ekola etya
bingi
anti kati ogambye tourism inatandikira ku gundi ku Uganda Airlines kati nedda gwe ng'omuntu gwe alina following ennene nako ina bakwagala bangi
N'abampala n'abangi.
Byonna.
N'abampala n'abangi. Otyo.
Uganda Tourism Board ogigamba ekola etya? Tufunayo abako airport abastampinga nga balina.
Yes. Nga bambadde bulungi mu nnyonyi. Air hostesses baffe. Lwaki bambala ebiteeteeyi? Bateekeko ng'abakalamojja. Olabe ekintu bwe kinaawo.
Mu nnaku ezimu.
Yes. Bateekeko ng'abakalamojja mu nnyonyi. Batuuke batandika okulanga nti bannange onoolaba Onoolaba ensi eno bw'ejja okuba. Naye
Kale.
ate bali mu biteeteeyi. Ate bavuddeyo.
Kale Mr. Alex.
Mwebale wamuttula. Gwe negwe okiraba kikola ni. You go in the plane. Oyambale ngaba.